All right, so check this out. When you get on the machine, instead of having to bend down to press the buttons with your hands, all I have to do really is take my big toe, I hit start, bam. And so there I am, I'm on 1 right now. But let's say I want to go higher. I take my big toe and I put it right there. I'm going all the way up. Here I go. Going all the way, using my toe, toeing it. I'm toeing this baby. Bam, done. There I am, look. I'm rocking it. Ha! It says ha. How do you like that? And so, yeah. Now, if I wanted to stop it, I would just take my big toe over here. Notice I'm using my right one. I could use my left. And then look, when you stop it, it has to go to 1 first before it stops. Now you could use the remote to do this, but I think this is easier. And when I start it again, it starts at 1. Then I would have to go right back up, you know, and get it back to that higher speed. I mean, I think everybody's going to want to do it at high speed, to tell you the truth. I think that's where you're going to want to be. So that's how easy it is. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.